process involves passing the roofing material through adjustable rollers that gradually shape it into the desired curve. Advanced control systems ensure that the curvature is uniform and accurate, meeting the specific design requirements. The machines are equipped with multiple rollers, each serving a distinct purpose in the curving process. Entry rollers guide the material into the machine, while forming rollers apply controlled pressure to achieve the desired curvature. Exit rollers then facilitate the smooth egress of the curved material. The adjustment mechanisms for these rollers allow for the creation of different curvatures, catering to diverse architectural concepts.